is Willem Clue. Welcome to my workshop, and today I will teach you how to make a volcano. First, you must get your materials. 2 paper cups, primer, spray paint, tinfoil, and 3 paper plates. First, you will take a hot glue gun and hot glue all 3 paper plates together. Then you will take 2 cups. You must take one first, and we will take it over to the swill, and then we will drill a hole right through the bottom. Sometimes it gets stuck on the drill. Okay, and then it creates that. Next, we must hot glue the 2 cups on top of each other by their ends. Be careful because this part is really hard. Once that's done, we will take the hot glue gun and hot glue the tower with the hole onto the plates with the hole facing up. So far, it will look like this. And then next, we will take lots of tinfoil, wrap it up in a thin streamer, and wrap it around the cups like this. You may have to cut, if you don't want to use so much tinfoil, don't compress the tinfoil really hard. Okay, and once that's done, you take primer, and primer, what it does is you can spray it over and it helps the paint stick better. So first you prime it over and the volcano turns out all gray. Then you take brown spray paint, and once the primer is dry, spray paint it brown. The finished model should look like this. Okay, and now because it looks like this, if you want, because of the outer rim on the paper plates, you can add on grass or something for decoration. Anyway, we will now